Hey, my name is Barb Herrera, and this is Health at Any Cost. And can you hear the cicadas? The cicadas are hollering. They're telling us what the temperature is out right now, which is pretty high. I wanted to share something quickly because my daughter Megan just put out a great video about 10 tips to do before you start a GLP-1. She forgot one as far as I know, and I wanted to get on here and say it, and I didn't even change out of my tank top that shows my skin. Look at it, keeps going up and up and up. I have lots of skin because I started at 405 pounds a little over 3 years ago. Today I weigh 125 pounds in maintenance since the middle of December of 2024. Today is September 4th of 2025, and I want to talk about finding community. That's the only thing I felt like Megan forgot. When you start your GLP-1 journey is to look for, I call it an excursion. It's much more than a journey to me, but to be able to find your tribe, find your community. And I say this today, which is very coincidental, that's September 7th, which is my 2-year Mounjaro anniversary. I'm very, very proud of that. I'm on 15 milligrams of Mounjaro in maintenance. I've been on 15 milligrams of Mounjaro for these 2 years minus 2 months. So that's what I've been on. But September 7th is an Orlando meet and greet with the Downsized people. The Downsized is a wonderful channel. I absolutely adore them. But Christopher and Lorraine are coming through Orlando, and we decided to do a meet and greet so that people can meet them. And what it has turned into is just now, we have over 40 people that are going to join us. And we're going to Bahama Breeze 2 hours earlier than the meet and greet, which starts at 6. So we're going to be at Bahama Breeze at 4. The meet and greets from 6 to 8. And all we're going to do is just chitty chat. I found by going on the Downsized cruise in June that finding your tribe is crucial. You don't have to find everybody at once. And I'm going to tell you why, because I look at as many new people that are going as possible, give them wonderful information, give them support because I want them to succeed. And I don't end up watching all of them. So you who are looking for people on YouTube to connect with, you may not connect with everybody. And that's cool because there's so many of us out there. You may not like me and love Megan. Megan's is Small Things Daily is her video, her channel. And she's just incredible. She's just so wonderful. I raised this child so beautifully. She's done most of it on her own, I promise. She's so talented. Anyway, so yeah. So finding your tribe. When we went on the Downsized cruise, there were over 50 of us on that cruise. And many of us have just connected. We've started our own little groups, our own chat groups, our own texting groups, our own talking on, doing Zoom calls, things like that. And it helps so much to be able to talk to somebody. It helps so much to say, I'm going through this. Is this normal? I don't understand why I'm having this issue. And the issues can be anything from, I'm doing everything right, why aren't I losing, which is a common one, to I'm getting ready to go to Bahama. I've got bugs crawling on me, sorry. I'm going to Bahama Breeze on Sunday. I'm worried about what I'm going to eat. And we've talked about that. And what's so cool is only 1 or 2 people have said that are going on Sunday. Everybody else, I've been watching, I've been listening. Nobody has said, oh, I love their menu. Nobody has said that. And that to me speaks volumes about what the GLP-1s do for us. And I really agree with everything that Megan said, but I want you to find who you connect with. There are so many people. Losing It Grace spelled Greys, The Downsized, Simply Taisha, and I mean, there's just so many that are wonderful. Gina's at Anchor Moments. Everybody connects with somebody else or with somebody. You will find your tribe. I promise. You'll find the person that connects with you. There are religious people out there. There are people who are vegans. There are all sorts of different GLP-1ers that you can connect with. And I want you to do that. So that's all I wanted to say was I am so excited about Sunday, about meeting with everybody, celebrating my 2 years on GLP-1s. I started on Trulicity. Excuse me. I started on Trulicity in April of 2022. And now here we are at 2025. I've been on for over 3 years. Isn't that crazy? That's so wild. So anyway, I will absolutely do video of what we're doing on Sunday. I will force myself to learn how to edit so that I don't cram it all together. And the other thing I wanted to say, if you are not on the meat, you can go on the downsize.org and look and see if there's a meet near you. Cicadas are so noisy. And look and see if there's a meet near you. And if there's not, start one yourself. Kirsten's Memories. Kirsten and I were going to are starting a group, a GLP-1 support group here in Orlando. Now, mixing with all these people on Sunday is going to make it a whole lot better. But you can go in Facebook if you're not banned for life like I am. Go in Facebook, go in Craigslist, go in different places and look for people who are alone, who want to talk. You can meet in a coffee shop. You can meet going for a walk. You can meet just on Zoom. You can do all kinds of things that you can do to get together. And I want you to find your people. I do. I want you to find your people. And I will let you know what goes on. If you got this far, which hopefully is pretty short, put people walking in the comments. I would love to know that you got this far. And otherwise, go see my beautiful girl, Megan, and see her video today because it was really good. Send it out. And I look forward to you who are my community. And I appreciate you more than I can even tell you. Thank you guys. Love you.